I'm gonna smack the shit out of him in a second.
So your car beats that.
And nothing but a white
Well, mine
trash
is the
party.
closest one. After that is Pius. So.
I'm pretty sure M3 beats everything.
No, he said the closest.
Who
not
gives
the
a shit? The
coolest.
M3 is all the way over there.
He
It's
said
not gonna burn.
closest.
Fuck that, if the M3 burns, I'm running after that motherfucker, dragging it by myself.
Amel, you recording me,
No.
Amel? Oh, I'm dancing, no music. Oh shit.
Don't go inside the cooler.
I don't want to take the shirt off.
Inside the cooler. We don't want you cold.
Yo, big titty girl.
Oh,
What's up?
Yo, bro, you were telling that to somebody else.
Same shit, different toilet. They're all females with vaginas.
It's okay. I wish I had
What's
teeth.
Salim doing?
Salim is probably sleeping.
Jenny, dance, come on, man. Jenny,
Why-
you're supposed to dance.
My trash
Fucking
party!
idiot.
Oh shit!
Dude, fucking idiot.
I'm gonna put some song on, bro. I feel like dancing now.
We didn't stop.
Oh!
Yo,
Yo,
my
how does
balls
Spanish
like
girls do it?
itching. What the
Huh?
How do Spanish girls do it? No, other way. I don't see the ass.
Yo, nigga, show it, baby, show it.
Yo, but that's how they bend. How do they start?
Yo, you know what they do, bro?
You don't know the first part. The first part. No, that's the second part.
that's
The
the
first part. You know the one they stand and do. Oh no, I don't see the ass. The other way. I don't see the ass there. Yeah, do it close to Matthew.
I'm not trying to get rid of the hiccups. That's you see, he's bothering him like crazy.
You want me to punch you in the jejunum? I got you in the jejunum. Stand up. I'll hit you in the jejunum.
Look,
He
meditating.
got black stuff on his face.
Cool.
He got like a lot of black shit on his face.
I don't give a fuck.
Obviously, you don't give a
My
fuck
knee.
because you're not going to go to the bathroom.
Just crack.
Who, me?
My knee. Just crack.
Your knee cracked?
He has so much
If your knee cracked in 5 minutes, well, how do you think Spanish girls do it for like a couple of hours?
No, Spanish girls, I go right away, bro. I see a Spanish
nigga.
girl fucking dancing over the fucking floor. I go
Man,
after her. Right
They're not using their knees, they're using their fucking just jiggling their asses like
Doesn't matter.
blah, 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 blah.
But they shake it really good. I like it.
I did that shit already.
Yo,
It's real good.
Jenner,
I'm gonna do it
you
again.
never seen a black girl dance?
One.
Yeah, I seen that too.
How did that? Let us show us.
But I like Spanish ones better.
Yo, but I want to know how the black
They
girls.
just smash you to the fucking walls and they dance like crazy like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, how,
Like
let me
that.
see.
What helps me
Oh,
know
shit,
how you make yourself
Yo,
burp,
bro,
like
they're
swallow
using
air.
pressure too like that.
That's
like
what
that.
I do.
They
Sometimes.
go like this.
3 times in
Yeah.
a row, you swallow air.
Matthew, this is how black girls do it.
Look,
Can you do closer to him? Go come close to Matthew. Come close.
Upside down.
Oh my
No,
god.
bro, that's not how they do
Black
it.
girls. He didn't show you guys how black girls do it.
Oh,
Like that, like
how
that.
black girls do it. Let's
No,
see.
they pressure,
Nah,
put
you
the
just
pressure
spilled
on
beer,
it like that.
You fucking big titty girl.
Yo, this cooler is done. Look at it.
Oh, Jenny, you don't know how to
What
do
the
that?
fuck?
What the fuck happened there?
Look, see, this is the cooler.
It's okay tomorrow.
Yo!
I can't believe you did that.
I didn't do that shit.
What the fuck,
That
Jen?
was like
Come
that.
on, Jen.
Now
What
you
are
fucking
doing?
fat. I feel bad.
Dude,
Jenny.
Fuck up, don't say that, bro.
No, I wasn't gonna say that.
He
I
wanna,
did that.
it was a mistake, okay? Don't leave us.
¿Qué
No.
pasó?
She's probably.
You can't.
Lo que
Listen,
pasó,
you're going in there anyway, so
pasó.
sit-
She knows I did that because I was sitting over there and she took my spot.
You took my spot, nigga.
Oh, so you were sitting over there.
No, I was sitting over there.
Oh yeah, you took my
Yeah,
spot.
yeah,
Because I
niggas.
was sitting on that shit.
You were sitting there and I was sitting
Exactly.
there.
Danny, what he said was,
You could have my
he was
spot.
sitting
I
here, so he.
can't see you.
What he said was, he was sitting there and he broke it. It's not
Exactly.
your fault. That's what he said.
That's what I said. It's okay.
So-
You're getting it. It's okay. So
It's
you almost
okay.
there.
She's
You
part
almost there.
Polish, it's okay.
It's okay. You almost there.
Well, she got the fucking worst sides of
So
everybody.
no, I just tried to say it's my fault because I said over there before you. But she didn't
Sit
get
down,
it.
it's
So it's
broken
okay.
already, so sit on it.
Why the fuck are you running around with this camera?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
What
Amel.
camera?
Amel,
Yo, Gypsy, turn the camera.
bro,
What camera?
In my eyes, man. Come on.
just don't put that shit on YouTube, bro. You know, just in case.
Thanks.
Shit, I'll smash that fucking crappy ass phone out of here.
Yo, I will shove it up your ass.
Okay, show it up
Who
here.
gives
Dude,
a
take
fucking
it.
stop?
Look
If
at,
you
look,
got
hold up.
fucking 4G, fuck you.
Hey,
You're
look
not
at it.
cool.
Look at the pirate blockade over there.
Yo, guys.
Gotta start scaring
Yo, guys.
Ricky Bobby number one.
Ricky Bobby number one.
Ricky Bobby number one.
Gobble, gobble.